आज हम पढ़ेंगे एक्सपेंडिचर मेथड of measuring national income. If we want to measure the national income of a country, one of the old method available with us is expenditure method. That is not to measure national income by way of income earned by the factors of production, or not by measuring or estimating the total output, but by the expenditure made by the people of a country. So according to this method, we can measure the national income of a country by estimating the expenditure made by all the sectors of an economy during 1 year. During 1 year. So you write down what is expenditure method of national income measurement. This is the question. On the basis of final expenditure made by all the people of a country, made by all the people of a country and government on goods and services, during 1 year, on goods and services during 1 year. So expenditure method measures the national income of a country on the basis of expenditure made by all the sectors of an economy, that is private sector as well as government sector, during 1 year. So under this method, we do not measure the income earned by the people, but what we measure the other part of the income, that is expenditure. Because if this is income, total income of the economy, this total income is expanded, it is converted in the form of expenditure of the economy. So what I am telling you what all the people of a country and government earns income. These people, they spend it on goods and services in the form of consumption goods and in the form of capital goods. So total income of the country will be equal to total expenditure of the country. So we can say the national income of the country is total income or total expenditure. So on the basis of expenditure methods, we measure the total expenditure made by all the sectors of an economy during 1 year. During 1 year. So final expenditure is equal to the gross domestic product at market price. So this method is also called income disposal method or consumption and investment method. This method, इसको हम दूसरा नाम भी देते हैं. This method is also called income disposal method. Income disposal method or consumption and investment method, or consumption and investment method. So what we do in this method, we sum up, we add up, we estimate the final expenditure made by all the sectors of an economy during 1 year. So it measures the national income of a country on the basis of final expenditure on goods and services by all the sectors of an economy during 1 year. So we can say under this, according to this method, the sum total of market value of goods and services consumed and invested by an economy during 1 year is national income. Is national income. Since we divide all expenditures in 4 heads, following expenditures are included in national income according to expenditure method. So we can say that final expenditures comprises, you write down following expenditures. Following expenditures are included. Following expenditures are included in national income. In national income according to expenditure method. According to expenditure method. So, कौन-कौन से expenditures हम, तो ये क्लियर हो गया महरा, क्लियर हो गया मैं क्या कहता हूं, ये क्लियर हो गया what I am.
Yes, sir.
So expenditure measures the expenditure made by all the sectors, private sector as well as government sector, on goods and services. We do not estimate here income, but what we estimate here expenditure, not income. So there are some types of expenditures which are generally made in the economy. We adopt those expenditures and reach out the national income of the country. What are these expenditures? According to expenditure method, GNP or GDP, whatever you say, is sum total of private consumption. These are the expenditures which we include in the national income under expenditure method. Private consumption, that is C. Private investment, that is I. Government expenditure on goods and services. So government also buys goods and services, goods and services. That is G. इसी तरह net what? Net foreign expenditure or net foreign expenditure or net exports, whom we call X minus M. These expenditures are explained below. एक एक करके हम इनको उठाएंगे, क्या होता है एक्सप्लेन below. उठाइए first expenditure is, so we can say the whole national income of a country is sum total of 4 expenditures. In a country there are 4 types of expenditures. Mainly there are 3 sectors: private sector, government sector, and rest of the world sector, whom we call foreign sector. The private sector make 2 types of expenditures: expenditure on consumption goods and expenditure on capital goods, which we call private consumption. C, private investment. I, we have government purchase, this is government expenditure, and foreign expenditure, that is X minus M. What we buy from foreigners minus what we sell to the foreigners. This is exports and this is imports. This all becomes the national income or GNP. We can say thus national income or GNP according to expenditure method is, that is, we can say that is GNP is equal to C plus I plus G plus X minus M. So these are 4 types of expenditure. Yes, you write down the first, private consumption. इसमें क्या क्या हम include करते हैं? So this is the consumption made by private sector on goods and services. Yes, expenditure made by private sector on consumption goods. It refers to the expenditure on final goods and services by private households. It refers, इसमें क्या होता है? It refers to the expenditure made by private sector on final consumption goods, on final consumption goods and services, only consumption goods, not capital goods, on consumption, जो day to day life में वो consume करते हैं. So all types of expenditures for consumption purpose is included in this category by households, private households, non-profit organizations, non-profit organizations, institutions. Yes. So this is the expenditure made by private sector, which includes private households and private non-profit organizations, NGOs. So it refers to all expenditures made by private sector on goods and services. So it refers to expenditure on final goods and services by private individuals, private householders, non-profit institutions serving the society. It includes consumer goods. What it includes? It includes क्या-क्या इसमें होता है? It includes expenditure on consumer goods, consumer non-durable goods, that is goods which are not repeatedly used like butter or milk, consumer goods, non-durable goods, consumer non-durable goods, consumer durable goods, consumer non-durable goods, and consumer services. Third, consumer services. Consumer services. So there are two types of expenditures made on three types of goods and services. Consumer durable goods. Durable goods are those goods whose age is 2 years, 3 years, which are durable, which can last for a long period of time. For example, we buy television, we buy fridge, we buy refrigerator, we buy mating. Its age is good. It has a good lifespan. Non-durable goods are like milk, like vegetables, like fruits, rice, wheat, sugar, etc., which are consumer ones, and consumer services. This is first criteria of expenditure, first type of expenditure, which is made on in the economy. इसी तरह second expenditure is private investment. Expenditure made by private sector on capital goods. The second is the private investment. Private investment. This is I. You can say I. Private investment. I. इसमें क्या क्या आता है? यहाँ प्राइवेट इन्वेस्टमेंट एक्सपेंडिचर भी इसको हम कहते हैं. Private investment expenditure. Private investment expenditure. This was private consumption expenditure and next is private investment expenditure. It refers to the expenditure made by private producers on capital goods. On capital goods. It refers to the expenditure made by private sector on capital goods. on capital goods, like expenditure on capital goods, like expenditure on machinery, fixed investment, inventory investment, etc. Like expenditure on machinery, investment, final fixed investment, inventory investment, etc. So all types of expenditures on investment, that is private investment expenditure. So this is second type of expenditure. Third is government purchase of goods and services, or we can say government final consumption, government consumption expenditure. तो गवर्नमेंट कंज्यूम करते हैं, कंजप्शन एक्सपेंडिचर. गवर्नमेंट makes expenditure on two types of goods, consumption goods as well as capital goods. It at the same time in a year it includes government expenditure on consumer goods as well as government's investment in the economy. This all is included in this category, which we call G. Yes. So it refers to expenditure made by government on capital goods, on consumption goods and capital goods. It refers to the expenditure made by government on consumption goods and capital goods. So it refers to whole government expenditure on लिख लीजिए गवर्नमेंट कंजप्शन एक्सपेंडिचर और G, it refers to expenditure made by government on consumption goods and capital goods. Thus it includes government consumption on government expense, it includes government expenditure on consumption and investment. It includes government expenditure on both consumption and investment during the year. So it includes government's all types of investments, fixed investment, inventory investment, like expenditure on goods and services, consumption goods as well as capital goods. Number next stop लिख लीजिए नेट फॉरेन इन्वेस्टमेंट. नेट फॉरेन इन्वेस्टमेंट जो फॉरेन इन्वेस्टमेंट है, नेट एक्सपोर्ट्स या नेट फॉरेन इन्वेस्टमेंट, नेट फॉरेन इन्वेस्टमेंट एक्सपेंडिचर, whom we call X minus M. It is difference between exports and imports. It is difference between exports and imports of a country. Export is the expenditure made by foreigners on domestic goods. What is exports? Exports or the expenditures by foreigners. It is expenditure by foreigners on domestic goods, on our goods, and imports or expenditure and imports or expenditure on goods produced abroad. On goods produced. So this is expenditure by our people on foreign goods. Goods produced abroad. Abroad. A-B-R-O-A-D. Abroad. Abroad. Thus we can say, lastly हम ये कह सकते हैं, thus national income or GNP at market price is equal to private consumption C plus private investment I plus government purchase plus net investment abroad or net expenditure abroad. So this is all about the expenditure method. So according to expenditure method, we estimate the national income of a country on the basis of final expenditure made by all the sectors on goods and services, all types of goods and services, consumption goods as well as investment goods. It includes 4 types of expenditures which are generally made in the economy. It is private consumption, that is expenditure made by private sector on consumption goods, which includes all types of consumption goods, expenditure made by private sector on all types of consumption goods, durable consumption goods, non-durable consumption goods, and consumer services. Number 2 is private investment expenditure. What private investors or private sector invest in the economy? They purchase capital goods in the economy, machinery, tools, etc. Third is government expenditure. Government expenditure. So it includes the expenditure made by government on consumption goods as well as on the capital goods. Includes both consumption and investment of the government. Government expenditure both on consumption and investment. The 4th one is net foreign investment. What we spend, what we expend on the foreign goods, and what foreigners spend on our goods. So lastly, we can say the GNP of a country by expenditure method is made up of 4 components, 4 types of expenditures, sum total of 4 types of expenditures: private consumption, private investment, government purchase, and X minus M, that is net investment. So this is all about the expenditure method. Tomorrow, inshallah, we will see the precautions necessary for expenditure. Okay? Quick question?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very
No,
much.
sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.